Welcome back. We're going to be painting this bad boy. Guess in the comments what colour the main colour is going to be last. I'm going to start with silver. Paint along here silver, along there silver, up there, around here all silver, bumpers, around the tail lights, badges, all around the front's going to be silver. Then I'm going to back mask it. And then I'm going to start on the colours. In here's going to be a tan brown. Here's going to be cream. And if you can guess right what colour this is going to be, then you're a winner. So let's get into it. Looks pretty good in greyish silver with some rub throughs. Well, after the first prime, I had rub throughs all over it and it looked really cool. But that's not what the customer wants. So all the silver looks nice. In case you're wondering why I did silver along the top here and around here, I'm going to do a fine line around there to break the colour from the interior. I think that'll look cool, like a trim. And I'm just going to figure out where to run it because this sort of runs up. All that's going to be silver, so I'm not sure if I'm going to run it in just along the top in there. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out. So after I've taped off all the silver parts, they will remain taped till the very end. And apart from the tail lights there, I've got to do red and orange in there, and the headlights and indicators, they'll be orange and they'll be white, bluish white. Same as the windscreen, will be bluish white. So, lots of taping ahead of me. Let's roll the time lapse. Look at that cream colour, it's beautiful. It's nice, I like it. So, before I do the main colour, I'm going to do the windscreen. I'm going to put some tape across in like a zigzag sort of thing, and then just dust a little bit of blue over it. And then with the headlights, I want to do some little bits of vertical blue, like that. That didn't look too bad. I'm not, I'm not unhappy with that. I don't know. Maybe it looked better with the final colour on there. I still have to tape off this spear. But before I do that, I'm going to do these tail lights. So top part red, bottom part orange. And I'm kicking myself because I should have left these indicators uncovered. But I'll try my best to airbrush in there. Let's do the tail lights. Before we get into painting these tail lights, I just masked off. On the windscreen, I use this candy blue, green blue. I'm going to be using blood red and grabber orange. I've got my reducer there as well. This is an Iwata Micron series. It's the needle in there is so fine that it's ridiculous. It's like 0.3, I believe, the tip. So this thing can do ultra fine detail. Not that I need it, but I got it just in case. I got other airbrushes, other paints in there. There's another Revolution. It's got a bigger nozzle on it. Doesn't say. But these are Japanese, and they are the bee's knees. Oh, there's another one. That's a completely different airbrush. That one. So let's put some blood. Yeah, blood red on these tail lights. Looking good. The orange is a little bit darker than I'd like, but once the tape is removed and it's separated by a silver line, it should be much more different. Now that I've got that sorted, I'm going to mask that off. Then it's time for the main event, the colour. Am I going to show you the colour right now? Probably not. Let's build a chassis for this first. Well, that's most of the components for the chassis. So two bottom bits there that the wood bolts to, two top rails that sit under the body. They join those two bits. Got the axles, nuts, wheels. I need extra parts to connect the axles to the chassis and cross braces and stuff like that. It's already in my book. And over there, I've got the handle. Let's put it all together. Alright, it's your last chance to comment what colour you think this thing's going to be. So I'm just about to spray it. Safety first. What colour could it be? Oh, I can get there, Hazel. That's gone. You ready? Here it is. The colour is ah, you little bastard. Bug. It's always way, isn't it? Bloody bugs. One there. And one there. How dare they? So I'll let this flash. And I'll get those bugs off there. And put another 2 to 3 coats on that. This is acrylic. It's getting a clear coat over the top. I want the colour to be fully formed. So if you guessed original 55 pink, You're a winner. Here it is, pretty in pink. Check out those wire walls and the super low stance of this thing. It is wicked. Even put some carpet on the inside, look at that. Not too shabby. The orange is still a little dark, but that's alright. There's the Croc Rods end cap. Now I've just donated this thing to the Gippsland Vehicle Collection, so kids can ride around in it while their parents look around at all the cars that are on display. And that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, follow, share, tag, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.